Hi students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 7th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our the 7th chapter, that is weather, climate and adaptation of the animals. So students, in previous classes already have discussed about the different regions of the earth and already I have explained to you which part what is that of the earth. Yes, by the globes, by the pictures also I have explained about that. But students, today we are going to discuss about that adaptation of animals to the climate. Yes, what is that adaptation? First of all, that one is word adaptation. Adaptation of animals to the adaptation of animals to climate. First, before that, to study about that, we have to understand what is that adaptation and what is that climate. I explained to you there are so many regions are there. How many regions are there of the earth? If you will check that according to their climate. One, we are getting that one desert region. One is our polar region. Another one is, third one is what is that our equator, that is tropical regions. So climate wise, if you will see, there are three regions we will find out. We will divide into the earth total place in the three regions. Okay, one is polar region. Second one is our desert regions. Third one is our tropical regions. Okay, where we are getting more hot, and that is generally near the equator. Okay friends, so you have seen that why, if you will suppose one dolphin, if you will take that one dolphin, or if you will take that one what is that, if you will take a sheep, suppose camel. Okay, camel, why can exist in the desert? Why one, suppose you will take one cow or goat to the desert, why they are unable to adjust or they can survive their life in the desert? That means some animals can exist, they can survive their life in the particular regions. That means they have adapted. If we will go to that Kashmir, okay, can it possible to stay? No, very difficult to exist there. Yes, because they are more cold region. That region Kashmir is, Jammu Kashmir is in winter season very cold area. That cold region that is. So if we will go to that place, we cannot exist there because that region is very cold. Before we have not adapted in that surroundings or environment. So particular region purposes we have to stay, and our environment how that we have to survive. That means we have to adjust with that environment. If you will stay, then we can continue our survival of our life. Yes. So for that, so different animals on different regions they are surviving their lives, survival of their life. So we have to discuss about that before. First of all, we have to discuss what are the regions and how the regions are the climate conditions. Okay. So first of all, we will see that about that. The general feature of the climatic zones are generally three zones are there: polar region, desert region, tropical region. These three zones that all the animals are generally staying or surviving their life. So first of all, we will discuss about that. What is the polar region? Polar regions are, that means the regions are generally two are there. One is North Pole, another one is South Pole. These regions are situated near the poles. Okay, how many poles are there of Earth? Our Earth having two poles. One is North Pole, another one is South Pole, and this North Pole and South Pole generally cold region. Okay, almost all over that year that snow and a very cold area. Okay, and nearly that means the sunlight is not falling on that directly, or it is slantly that rays are falling on these regions. Okay, and that temperature of the these regions are generally minus 37 degree less also. Near about minus 37 degree less. Almost all that area is the regions covered by with snow. Okay, ice lake. Okay, and students, these regions are situated near the poles, north poles and south poles. These regions covered with snow and the climate extremely cold the most part of the year. The temperature of the winters nearly about that below 37 degree. Okay students, so now we will discuss about that desert region. What is that about it? You have seen that desert, you have in our world, that is the biggest, that desert is which one? Sahara Desert. Yes, that is in place at South Africa. Okay, in Africa continent, that is desert, that is Sahara Desert is situated. So why that Sahara Desert is situated or formed in that Africa? Because there are hot regions are there. That means there is lack of rain there. Okay, lack of rain. That climate generally what is that like hot regions like, and also there is no rain in that region. So without rain the plants cannot develop. If there is no plants, then what will happen? All area will become just sandy. So that is called as a desert area. These regions generally may be hot or cold. May be hot or cold. May more cold is there, may more hot is there, but no rains. That is precipitation. They have a dry climate with very little precipitation. That area, that regions are how like dry regions, dry climates. No rains, no other things. That's just like dry situations. That climate like one precipitations like it will stay, but there is no rain. Without water, that animals or the plants not possible in that area. The regions do not receive rain or snow for years. There is no snow or there is no rain. Okay, so that is the main things. Some famous deserts are Sahara Desert, Kalahari Desert in Africa, Thar Desert in our India, and a Gobi Desert in Mongolia. Friends, so many special big deserts are there in our earth. Especially Sahara Desert and Kalahari Desert are there. You have seen that famous desert that is present in where? In Africa, and in our India, that is in Rajasthan, that is Thar Desert. What is that? Thar, Thar, Thar Desert. Which one is situated where it is? It is in Rajasthan in our India. Next, another one is what is that? Gobi in Mongolia. Gobi is another one of the desert, famous desert that is situated in there where? In the where? Mongolia. Okay. So friends, these are about the desert region. And what is that? Tropical regions. These regions are located around the equator. Where is that equator means? That is the middle part of the earth hour, and that regions where generally almost all times that sunlight directly it is falling, and more hot regions and also heavy rain is there. That regions are received that heavy rain also. Therefore, these regions are located around the equator. Therefore, have a hot climate because of it is equator near that regions. That is so due to that the sunlight is directly falling and receiving that heavy rain also. But these regions get the plenty of rainfall. During this summer, the temperature may be 40 degree above. That means hot regions, that is especially, and also the temperature nearly it will cross over that nearly 40 degree Celsius. Okay, students. So these three regions are there all over that world, and we have to discuss which regions, what are the animals are adapting. Suppose camel about you will see where it will be adapt. That it is camels survive their life in the desert. Okay, if you see like that. So other things also, so many different animals, white bear, okay, dolphin, or that elephants, or whatever the different animals are there, how they are adapting their life, what are the adaptation of their life, we have to see and we will discuss in the next video. Okay friends, thank you all of you, have a nice day.